welcome to my newly organized sewing studio. I'm still working on the walls. I want to print more picture with my projects, with work with the students, with the customers, and I want to decorate these walls even more. And also I will put my logo over there in a round frame. It will be a corded embroidery sewing academy. So it will be there. For now I just have my diplomas here, but all my fabrics, zippers, different trims are already organized. So I want to welcome you and show you how I did it. Maybe you will have some ideas for your also sewing rooms, or you have some suggestions also. So let's look at the first cabinet. So here I have my zipper organizer. See, it's like zipper bouquet, I call it. It's easy to see what is inside and which kind of zippers, and also it's very easy to pull it, the zipper that you need. Also I have here different elastics. It's mostly white and black, just different sizes. It's not like a lace elastic, just a regular elastic here. So also easy to see around and easy to pull it what you need. So, and the second shelf is just like office stuff, my computer, like some papers. And also at the bottom I have iron with a steam generator, like, that I use not such as often as a regular iron. Also here I have, you can see, a different lace elastic, like a trim lace, but also it's a elastic. So since upcoming project will be underwear and lingerie making course, I have a lot of them, and also some of them on its way to arrive here. My sewing machine, also as you saw, I just put this beautiful cage, the cotton lace, and it's very easy also to reach it from the top, you can see. So it's here mostly. I will probably keep it inside of the cabinet just to protect it from dust, but for now I just keep it here. This is actually my little weight, just beautiful type of weight for patterns. So when I actually put patterns on a fabric, I use them as a weight. They're pretty heavy. Different my rulers. Here I have a regular iron, just ironing pad, and over there just a laying flat, different patterns, also leather for bag making projects, and some stuff that I want to turn into patterns. So they are there. Here I also have in these jars, you can see a lace trim, some of them stretchy, some of them not. But also cover to protect from dust. This is just a tape, like cotton tape, that I use also for decorative purposes, and also inside when I need to double fix and reinforce some lines or seams. Here it's also cute box with different types of trims and tapes, and also different special elastic for also for underwear and lingerie projects. So it's here. This is just decorative. This is my another pin cushion. So here I have threads. I'm sure it will be filled very soon, all this shelf. Here I have also, as you saw probably, I use soap for transferring lines of the pattern on the fabric. So I have another dish with the soap, another pin cushion. So here I have also different stuff like markers for fabric, scissors for paper, cute kitties. This is actually a very useful tweezer with the lighting, you see. When I need to thread the overlock machine, much easier to see where I actually trying to get those threads. See, so very useful. I have gauge here, different screwdrivers, seam rippers, so all this like different stuff is here. This is a little box with my bobbins. Also here, like a dish, I have different stuff, like safety pins, like pullers, also different things for lingerie and underwear making. So everything here, the small shoulder pads, the set for the the pads, also my presser fit set over here. So, and on the very bottom floor I have different leftovers. This is mostly for from silk, different silky fabrics, and this beautiful lace also here. And this is just a cotton, rayon, knit fabrics, different leftover, like scrap fabric. Here I also have different pattern making tapes, adhesive tapes, and lace, of course. And this is different interface, like adhesive interfacing tape. Some of them bias tape, some of them for just for like a glue tape. So just little trims of adhesive interfacing. And here I have different groups of fabrics. I have knit fabric, cotton fabric, cotton with a rayon, silk, like silk sheer fabric, and also silk atlas. So you can see, also here I have two different types for coat making fabric. So I'm gonna make two projects with the coat making, male and female coat. Here I have also different linings and different adhesive interfacing, interlining for jackets, for coats. So here silk, this is mostly sheer silk, and this is a silk, like a satin silk, and also more silk knit fabrics are coming of different colors for underwear and lingerie course. Also I have my little office area. On the other side I have my mannequin, also some office stuff, and my favorite part, beautiful windows, and actually even my little workout station outside.